are going to our next operation, and that is intersection of two sets. Now what does intersection mean? You have learned it in your geometry, point of intersection. What does point of intersection means? It means the point in which two lines meet with each other. Am I right? Yes, that is called point of intersection, where two lines meet with each other. Now check out the definition. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set that contains all the elements of A that belongs to B. It is denoted by N. A intersection B. Now the intersection of two set A and B is a set that contains all the elements that also belongs to B. That means we are having the common element. In set A and in set B, the elements which are common in between two sets. If the elements are common between two sets, so these are called intersection of two sets. See it, girls. We are having these shapes. Now which shapes are in both in A and B? See shape number 1 of set A and shape number 3 of set. See the pentagon and see the square. They are in A and B. So that means that is the answer of intersection B. You have to write down the answer which are same between them. Which shapes are common between? The shape of pentagon and square, that is common. So that will be the answer of intersection. Now check out the example. In let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equals to 4, 5, 6. Now as we have done it in our previous example, first you have to list the elements of A, then put the sign of intersection, then you will write the elements of B. Now how you will find out the answer? You will see that which elements are common between these two sets, which elements are same between these two sets. Now see, check out set number A. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what are the elements in set B? 4, 5, 6. Which elements are common? 4 and 5. Yes, 4 and 5 are common between A and B. In these two sets, 4 and 5 are common. So that will be your answer. Intersection means the common elements between two sets. Now here I have given you another example. Sometime it's happened that we have got two different sets. See, P is equals to 1, 2, 3 and Q is equals to 4, 5, 6. We are having totally two different types of set. We are not having any common element over there. There is no common element between P and Q. See, in P there is 1, 2, 3 and in Q it is 4, 5, 6. There is no common element. So at that time what we will do? Yes girls, we have learned in types of set. If we are not able to list the elements, then at that time which type of set we will write? Yes, empty set, because there is nothing to write, no common elements. If there is no common elements, then don't worry, just make an empty set. Okay, follow the rule. Now the last example, if x is equals to ABC and y also has ABC. Now at this situation what we will do? Yes, distinct object. That means we are not going to repeat the elements again and again. We are having the equal sets. They both are equal. Yes, they both are equal. So A and A, B, C, they are common in both sets. So we will just write down these elements once a time. Okay class, C, ABC, intersection ABC. All are common, all elements are common. So what we will write down in answer? We will just write down A, B, C. Now your classwork. Your classwork is page number 17, question number 6, part 1 and 4 you have to do in class. And page number 18, question number 7, part 1 and 2. Now see here, I have solved question number 6 for you. I have solved only 2 parts for you, and that is your classwork, okay, which I have solved. A union B, you have to do the work just like this. Okay girls, you have to do the work neatly. You write down the question. Okay, you have to use blue pen. Okay, A union B, then you will put the sign solution, then A union B, list the element of A, then U, and then list the element of B. Then what is union? To write all the elements together. So what you have done? You have just listed all the elements together. Now come on to the next part, A intersection B. Yes, intersection common elements. So how you are going to do it? List the elements of A, then the sign of intersection, then list the elements of B. Now here you have to do this thing, that put underline between the common elements. So you should know that that is your answer. It will become easy for you to write the answer. Okay girls? So 2 and 3, they are common in these two sets. Put the underline. Okay? Put the underline and then that is your answer. Now question number 7, that is also your classwork. A union B, as you have done in class question number 6, just like same here you have to find out A union B. Okay, just make all the elements of set A and set B together and A union D. Okay, just list all the elements of A union D together. Now that is your homework class. You have to do question number 6, part 2, 3, 5 and 6, and then question number 7, part 3 and 4. In your classwork copy, you are supposed to do all your classwork and homework work in your fair copy of maths. Okay? Okay,